Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the trading video, trading recap. This is how we did today. Trading SPY, we took two trades, one in the AM session, one in the PM session. The first trade resulted in a 4.39 to 1 risk reward. Our second trade resulted in a 4.42. I'm going to go over my analysis on both of these trades and why I took them to begin with. Alright, coming into today, first things first, we have no news today, which is Wednesday, January 10th. We have CPI and BPI tomorrow, but that's for a later date. We're only worried about today. Correct. Here's price shopping around, market open 9:30. Price shopping around, comes down, sweeps the London lows here. I'm looking at price here at 9:50. I saw that it swept the lows. Now I'm waiting for a reaction. We got the time that gives us eligibility for a trade. We get a displacement here, break a structure to the upside, leaving behind an inefficiency. I entered off that inefficiency. Price came up, came back down to the fair value gap inefficiency, whatever you want to call it, imbalance. There's many names, same thing. Comes down, almost stopped us out. We kept our stop at the low of the displacement candles. And I rode that up, targeting this 5-minute high up here. As soon as that TP hit, I exited the trade. Was happy with my profits. But as you can see, price ended up running out those London highs all the way up here. This third black line. So let's say if I would have held all the way through, but I don't like to sit on my screen all day long. This was a short trade. I like to be in and out in the market, take my money and run. But as you can see, price delivered. So here comes lunch session. These first two lines is the lunch low and the lunch high. Well, excuse me. I'm not even looking at a trade. What I meant to say is PM session, and I'm looking at the lunch lows and lunch highs, and I see, so we get 1 p.m. here. I saw price come up before it broke structure to the downside, displaced and leaving behind its inefficiency. So I saw a sweep of the lunch highs, which is this first orange line here. I enter off of the inefficiency, targeting the lunch lows and these lows here. As you can see, price sold off aggressively, and as soon as it tapped this second line here, I exited my position. I was more than happy with what I made so far. As you can see, price came down a little lower before it ended up reversing and would have stopped us out. So luckily we didn't get too greedy. That's why I tell people, not tell people, but that's why I tell myself what I meant to say. Not to be too greedy. When the market gives you the money, you just take it and run. Take everything, give nothing. But yeah, nonetheless, it's great trading overall. I'm close to passing my Top Step account, and I should pass it by the end of the week and all things well. It will be funded by next week. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for coming along the journey.